So it's the last day that we're at the Treasure Bay Resort and Marina, and I did not drive my hubby to work today. He just drove the rental car himself. So that means I get to just hang out at the resort and the beach for the whole day. This gives me 2 more hours, and plus I can enjoy a little adult beverage by the pool and not have to worry about driving him. So yeah, my little sore is doing okay. I think that it'll heal, and I'm glad it's not worse. Silly time. So just gonna get some breakfast and probably eat out on the balcony and enjoy the day. I got some sun yesterday, so that felt great. A little bit too much on my legs. They got a little crispy. I have to wear more sunscreen today. I think I have some really strong stuff that I can put on, but I really want to enjoy the day. It looks calm enough. Maybe I will get the drone up. We'll see. See you later, guys. So I got a little sun. You can see my feet are burned. But check out this breakfast and look at this view. Look at this. What a gorgeous, gorgeous day we have out here. I'm gonna sit here and enjoy. Okay, off to try the drone. Wish me luck. Okay, here she is. So far it looks pretty good. Little wind, a little bit, not too bad.
But it all comes down to what you wanna believe. One smile and you had planted a seed. Oh, now I don't need to dream away. Hey, hey. Once upon a time,
you're doing it.
I was searching the sky. Once upon a time, for the cloud number 9. Once upon a time, till you came around. Now I'm yours and you are mine until the I used to be alone, I never really cared, so what now? I used to shrug my shoulders, wouldn't even want to know how. But it all comes down to what you wanna see. One life and you had planted a seed. Whoa,
Gorgeous day.
and I don't look away no
I
more.
found my happy place today.
No more.
Right there. Hey, I was able to fly the drone, so that makes me very happy. Now I'm sitting by the beach and just enjoying listening to the waves crash, and what a peaceful time. So anyway, here I am. I have my Sharon at Sea beach bag, and I'm ready to get some rays, and I have have sunscreen on today, so hopefully it won't burn. Alright. Cool map in here of the Florida area, the Tampa Bay area. This is Tampa Bay. And then we are located in Treasure Island right there. So, right on the Gulf of Mexico. Very cool. That's where we are. Right at that area. Cool. Cheers! Off to the pool. Off to meet with Matt and Sandy tonight, having Indian food. So, can't wait. There he is. Hi guys! So we are at Moon Underwater. It's a Indian, like a British Indian restaurant. And look at who I'm here with. Matt and Sandy and my hubby. So we have some wonderful Indian food to enjoy. So let me show you that here quick. So I have chicken marsala, so does Sandy. And Matt has...
I have vindaloo.
Chicken vindaloo.
Digging in there a little bit.
And what did you get, honey?
I got the curry, their famous curry.
All right, so we're gonna dig in. Can't wait.
Once upon a time, I was searching the sky. Once upon a time, for the cloud number.
Like a British Indian restaurant, and look at who I'm here with. And my hubby. So we have some wonderful Indian food to enjoy. So let me show you that real quick. So I have chicken marsala, so does Sandy. And Matt has chicken vindaloo.
Digging in there a little bit.
Yes, that's good.
And what did you get, honey?
I got the curry, their famous curry.
All right, so we're gonna dig in. Can't wait. Thanks, guys.